Hey everyone, I'll show you how to make a barking dog in this video. I'll start off by doing the folds for a square base. So I'll be folding my paper in half on the diagonal and lengthways. There's lots of ways to do the square base, but I like to use each side of the triangle to open up and flatten into shape. Once I've done that, I'll flip over the open end to be at the bottom. Then I'll take one side of both layers and I'll fold this in towards the middle. It doesn't need to be right at the center. It's on an angle with this diagonal fold here. Then I'll take the top corner and I'll fold this downwards. Make sure these two creases done here are really strong, as these will help you in the following steps. Unfold these creases and then I'll open up everything else as well. There's a few things to do once this is opened up. Using my thumb, I'm just pushing the center of the model in, and then I'll change the direction of some of the folds in the head. With a gentle pinch, these edges will go the way they need to be. Then with the other half, you'll be folding this inside the model, so you'll have an extra layer underneath the head. Follow the pre-creases so that it can flatten naturally. That was quite the process, but I got there in the end. I'm just neatening up the edges at the bottom here, and then I'll move on to the next step. There's that long flap on the side, so I'll bring this upwards and fold it so that it looks like a triangle. Finish off by folding a little triangle on the tip. Make your dog bark by holding the body firmly and pulling the tail. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.